Iceland is deeply alarmed by the ongoing conflict in the Middle East, which has added another dimension to an already profound human rights crisis. Iceland calls for immediate de-escalation in the region, the protection of civilians, and full respect by all for international law. Palestinians continue to face appalling conditions, particularly in Gaza. Iceland reiterates its call for full, safe, and unhindered humanitarian access. We further condemn recent Israeli decisions to expand its unlawful presence in the West Bank. Iceland reiterates its strong support for the two-state solution. Iceland condemns in the strongest terms Russia's ongoing illegal war of aggression against Ukraine. Those responsible for violations of international law must be brought to justice. In Afghanistan, the institutionalized and systematic oppression of women remains deeply concerning, and Iceland supports efforts to codify these crimes in international law. Iceland reiterates its concern about the serious human rights situation in China, including in Xinjiang, Hong Kong, and Tibet. In Sudan, we are alarmed by the credible reports on war crimes and crimes against humanity bearing the hallmarks of genocide. In closing, Iceland refers to the Nordic-Baltic statements under items 2 and 4